Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design, and in this video we are going to showcase the broken out section view. So in the broken out section view, what is the meaning? Let's say I am having the shaft which is a very long, okay, a hollow shaft I am creating. Features, extrude, I will read this part. Okay, it's a very long shaft, right? And you have to fit this into the drawing. Let's say I am going to make this in a drawing, save and insert, whatever name you want to give, and A4 size, yes, I want to create, and for the 1:1 scale, okay, 1:1, 1:1, 1, okay. As you can see, it is a very long for my A4 sheet, and I want to showcase into the 1:1 scale only. So what you can do, you can just select the break view, and yes, select the drawing to break where you want to break. Let's say I want to break. If you want to create the gap size, you can control that also. Shape intensity, I will make it to the high, and these are some break style you can customize. Cut direction will be obviously horizontal, not vertical. So let's say I want to cut from this and this. Dimension will not change. It will only change the, and yes, if I showcase the dimension, smart dimension, see, the dimension will not change, just a view will get fit in the laser space, right? So that's how you can create the broken break view. Okay, not broken out section view, it is a different break view. That's how you can mostly use on the shaft and long parts. Okay, and if any feature comes in middle, then you cannot. Then what you can do, you can just break out before feature, okay, where your feature don't get involved, and after feature also you can do, right? So feature should not compromised in the break view. So that's how you can use the break view in the drawing.